Previously on. So extra, like why did you put on the vest? So extra. Like this week I lost a friend.
So me the best of it. We got a man like a gypsy. One more shot and she get gypsy. She had the gypsy.
Okay, so Sunday, May 29th,
So now baby, and this is
happy birthday, Mom.
You know think about a man like the baby. Take it down on me baby. Rock it up on the floor in a lazy. The lifestyle in a shady. And you know think about a man like the baby. When you see the thing turn up in a let her wine it like a propeller. Let's see a one from the jump Jennifer. The listen up like a ear. She take a ride on the big bike. She must see things like the things like girl ball out like right in the kitchen. And this is a you are trying to be crazy. The way you amaze me. You know think about a man like the baby. Take it down on me baby. Rock it up on the floor in a lazy. The last night in the shade. You know think about a man like the baby.
Why is your hand up? They never got to see you at your mom's party. Yeah.
You call me on the phone, and now I want you home.
That it's only the thrill for me, girl.
Hi, birthday girl.
It's physical, only logical.
Huh?
We must try to
No.
what's love got to do with it? What's love? There's something in devotion. What's love? Who needs
A heart when a heart can be broken. Everything is for you too.
You going out there? Okay.
I'm just recording for her.
I'm going for it. We'll go on and see. Okay. Okay. We're gonna see.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy
birthday.
Sorry, all the candles are gone. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 64. 64. 64. How old are you now? 64. How old are you now? Are you 10? Are you 20? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60?
70.
Are you 61? Are you 62? Are you 63? Are you 64? Yay! Wait, make a wish first. I don't know.
Don't say it out loud.
What?
Not out loud in your head.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So blow the candle.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday! Yes,
Now, now, this is for y'all, the remix. Said I know there's somebody.
Kako pa. Rave and away, pan is on pick up home, give me a kiss. Mommy, broke your back. Broke your back. Broke your back now? Can I see myself? Can I get my outfit?
Yeah.
Let me get my outfit.
I like it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like it. I like the
I like that, yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so hold on, let me do my OOTD.
Wait. Okay, yo, Zoe. How about you flip the strap? Leave that one open that's locked and no, seriously, because there's a stain on your boob. And it doesn't look nice. It doesn't look good on the.
Subscribers know walk one. Like they know me. I come out. I look cute right now compared to
Yeah.
what I look like on normal camera. You know,
But
when
still.
my hair is not out and stuff. Like look at my hair. Like yo.
Just
I
do it,
love
yo.
it, and I can't. The thing won't lock.
Oh,
The
okay.
thing is messed up. Hold on, is this the regular one?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Party Weekends! Plus I toast to my real friends.
Oh, look who's coming.
Police?
No.
I know. Like,
No.
Like what?
Probably because this car's not parked properly. But anyways,
Oh,
it's
okay.
Sunday, you wouldn't really get in trouble. Anyways.
But anyways, hi guys.
Hey.
Yeah, it's me, Zoe, Zoisha, aka me.
Sup, Zoisha?
So anyways, my outfit, I never did an outfit of the day before.
Yo. Take a look at these though.
No, catch the
I know what those are.
Slippers, though.
Those
Catch the
are.
slippers, though.
They go with the outfit
Yeah,
now.
catch the slippers, though.
Damn, Daniel.
Okay, yeah, so I got my Nike sliders. I got my Nike sliders
Damn,
on, you know.
Daniel.
And then I got this cute little jumpsuit, romper jumpsuit thingy. I say jumpsuit.
Love
because
it.
thing.
That's the best part,
Thing.
isn't it?
And I got this from
Overall.
Ardene's.
Okay.
And Ardene's, whatever, however you guys want to say. And then
Alright.
this crop top here.
Okay, let's
Well,
not look
my
at
pants here a
it.
little bit.
Just let her fix up.
No,
Fix
don't
up.
hold it like that. Turn it.
Oh,
Oh my god, were you holding it straight the whole time?
yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cause I had to get the whole outfit. What the fuck you mean?
I go
Right?
like this.
No, you still can't see it. You're so far. Ugh, whatever.
Whatever.
Because when you hold it up like that, the sides are black.
It's true, but can't you crop? And it wasn't that much. Okay, let's do it again then.
No, it's okay. I'll just flip it. Yeah,
What's
so
the difference
yeah,
between
so
Augustine
that's where my
and
jumpsuit is from, and then my crop top I got from Sirens,
Augusta?
Indian. That's
Yo,
it.
Zoe.
I love it.
What the earns? The earns.
Oh, what about the urns?
10 minutes,
My
right?
hair I did myself.
I like that sort of thing. True, true.
Turn it. I didn't get to really vlog today, guys, because I was working. I actually ended up being the bartender. If you watched my Mother's Day vlog special, you would have seen that conversation where I told my mom I did not want to do it, but I ended up doing it anyways because y'all gonna be getting paid. I don't know. She gave me $20.
That's
But
good.
I'm not getting paid $20. Are you mad? I sold more than 20 drinks.
Oh, okay. No, but you got $20. That's good. Oh. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Wait! This is my song?
Frog or something.
What song is this?
This girl's tripping.
Oh my god!
Nissan! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Shawty, let's go inside. Let's go dance.
Yo.
Let's do this.
What am I even doing out here though?
What up?
Yeah, all the time.
A little smoky.
Oh yes.
We gotta get a little drink on it. You know what I'm saying? Blue cups, fuck the blue, but you know, so
So all day. All day. Alright, going back to the party.
till the wheels fall off.
Back to the party.
Feel like to put on your new love. Lately there's some nice boy. I'll be her and not that. If you feel like one word that. Relax, I wanna give you some good love. Lights the music turn down. Back meetings in a church level. Feel like to put on your new love. Give me that. Back it up, give me that. Give me that. Body good. Body right, body down, you like it, big compagnon, 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 big compagnon. Give me that, body down, you like it, body right, body down, you like it, your body, your top class, loving the ones. That you love when you're God, I'm telling you so much. I love when you lift you up,
In my cup stays in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My drink is in my cup. In my cup stays in my cup. My cup. Hey, hey, hey. What's in my cup is in my cup.
What? What did my phone just say? Anyways, sup guys? Hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm not even gonna make this long. I'm walking to my sister's right now. I'm gonna go get my hair done, so I'll catch up with you guys when I get there.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Yeah, I know it's nighttime, and when I left off the vlog it was daytime. My hair was in one, now it ain't. But honestly, after I did my hair, I had the biggest headache ever, so I'm just not in the mood today. I'm gonna have to pick up from where I left off tomorrow and continue vlogging then. Like, my head is killing me. Like, I don't know why I did my hair like this. You see what happens when you want style like this braid? Oh, can you guys see my scalp? Like right over here, like it's bubble up, like, you know? This is what happens when over years and years when you catch people's head so damn tight, and then it's time for you to do yours and it's tight said way. But that's like God, pain is beauty. It feels so weird. I feel like I haven't vlogged in my house since so long, but it's not that long because Fluffy was just at my house. Anyways, I'm not chat off with no ear. It's Friday, June the 3rd, and I'm gonna sign off here. I'll show you guys my hair and all that extra good stuff tomorrow. Look at my nails. I gotta go do my nails tomorrow, so I'll take you guys on that little journey with me too. And yeah, so sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Ow.